Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style marshmallows. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of caster sugar, or you can use white sugar, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, some non-stick cooking spray, 3/4 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, or you can use agar, 1 teaspoon of rose water, or you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of tap water, and 1 teaspoon of red food color, or you can use any food color of your choice. You will also need a baking tray or a glass dish or any plastic container that you want to set your marshmallows in, a whisk, and an electric beater. Take a small dish, add gelatin and half cup of water. Give it a mix and put it aside. To make the sugar syrup, take a pot, add sugar and water. Put it on high heat, give it a mix and heat it until the sugar has dissolved and the syrup starts to boil. Lower the heat to medium and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off and remove the syrup away from the heat. Take a big dish, add gelatin mixture and rose water. Add sugar syrup and 1 teaspoon of red food color. Give it a mix and let it cool while we get the tray ready. Take the baking tray or any container you want to set the marshmallows in. Spray it with some cooking spray. You can also use some oil with a pastry brush and put it aside. Use the electric beater and beat the sugar syrup for 8 to 10 minutes or until the mixture becomes thick and fluffy. Scrape it into the prepared baking tray and spread it evenly using a spatula. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on the top and let it set for 3 hours on the bench top uncovered. After 3 hours, turn the marshmallows over on a chopping board. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on the top and cut them into any size or shape you like. Coat them with some desiccated coconut and put them on a plate. My Fiji style marshmallows are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Leftover marshmallows can be stored in a sealed container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.